They say sometime you win some, sometimes you lose some. But right now I'm losing that. I've stood on this stage night after night, reminding the broken it'll be alright. Right now I just can't. It's easy to see, it's nothing to bring me down. But what will I say when I'm held to the flame like I am right now? I know you're able and I know you can save through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. They say they don't take a little faith to move the mountain. A good thing, a little faith is all I have right now. But God, when you choose to leave mountain unmovable, oh, give me the strength to be able to sing. It is well with my soul. I know you're able and I know you can sail through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. I know the sorrow and I know the hurt will all go away if you just say the word. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. You've been faithful, you've been good all my days. Jesus, I will cling to you. Come with me, 'cause I know you're able. I know you can. I know you're able, I know you can set through the fire with your mighty hand. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. I know the sorrow, I know the hurt will all go away if you just say the word. But even if you don't, my hope is you alone. It is well with my soul. God bless us.